Hey, what is up everybody? What's going on? Josh Quinones here, and today we are taking a look at the new Galaxy Watch. This is the rose gold 42mm LTE model. Now, there is also a black version for this same size right here, and the watch that you are seeing on the top right corner over here is the 46mm version that only comes in silver. Now, I have recently done a review video for this, which I just released a couple of days ago, so if you guys want to check that out, I will link it down below as well. But today is all about this rose gold model right here, which the reason I haven't done a review video for this one yet is because we received this one just a little bit later than that one. So my wife has got to spend some time with this watch. So this review is going to be based off her experience that she's had with this watch. She's not really techie as I am, but she does know what she likes and what she doesn't like, what works and what doesn't work. So she's given me all the stuff she does like about this watch, what didn't really work for her, certain things that were kind of inaccurate when using the watch. So she's given me all her likes and dislikes, and I'm going to go over that in this review for the watch. So let's go over some of the quick specs here. It does come with a Super AMOLED display. Like I said, it is the 42mm LTE model. It's got a 270 milliamp battery. It is water and dust resistant. It's got the heart rate monitor and the GPS capabilities. And also, since she's already unboxed this watch, there's not anything in the box right now, but if you guys are curious as to what comes in the box for this watch, it lets you know right here on the back. It's got the Samsung Galaxy Watch, of course, the wall USB charger, extra strap, which is the large. It actually comes with the smaller strap attached to it already, charging stand, quick reference guide, and Samsung terms and conditions. So that's everything that's going to come in the box when you receive your watch. All right, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. My first impressions when I had first seen this watch, I had thought it looked super nice, and even till this day, I still think it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a very nice premium looking watch. Even the feel of it just feels very premium, and the straps that come with it are a good color combo. It goes great with the whole watch face and the frame, this nice rose gold color. Everything just goes perfectly out of the box. And then when you add a nice watch face like this, you really can't complain. It looks really, really nice. As you can see, the buttons kind of match this. I don't know if you can tell if I hold it like this. It's not really black, but it is kind of like a darker gold, I guess you can say, but it goes good with the colors of the button. And of course, if you're gonna have your wrist kind of tilted, you are going to be able to see the bottom, which is all black, but at least it does match the buttons. And you can even throw on a black strap with this as well, and it's still going to look nice. So overall, looks, feel, I think it feels very premium. It looks very premium. My wife is in love with this watch as far as looks go. Pretty much goes with anything she wears. She can always switch out the straps if she wants to wear with a different outfit. But yes, she is loving the looks of the watch so far and feel. Okay, now one of the things that my wife did mention to me while wearing the watch when working out, exercising, taking walks, jogging, anything like that, when she starts sweating on her wrist, because of the silicone straps, they do tend to slide around the wrist. Not too much, but she did mention that it kind of slides back and forth like this. Sometimes she'll kind of have to fix it and center it. So that is kind of one little complaint. It's nothing major. She really doesn't mind it too much. Obviously, it's going to happen if you're wearing a watch while working out. It is going to tend to slide around just a little bit if you do start sweating on your wrist while wearing this watch. All right, so going inside the watch, it's pretty much going to work exactly like this watch over here that I have reviewed a couple of days ago. Like I said, if you guys haven't checked out that video, I will go ahead and put it in the description below so you can check out the review video for that as well. But this watch is pretty much going to work the same. Say you want to navigate through the watch from app to app, widget to widget. All you have to do is twist the frame here, twist it right or left, or if you don't feel like twisting it, you can always just swipe back and forth. Me personally, I kind of try to use this as much as I can, at least on my watch, and my wife as well, because you go like this too much, start swiping back and forth, left and right, you're going to tend to start getting fingerprints on the screen and then find yourself kind of wiping the screen down every now and then. And this just kind of keeps your screen a little bit cleaner, I guess you could say. So if you rotate to the left, you're going to get your notifications. As you can see, I've already cleared them, but yes, if you swipe to the left, it will pop your notifications up for you. So you have a text message or email, anything like that, you will get it to the left side, the very far left side actually, and then the next one over is going to be the watch face. And then you keep rotating to the right, you got the weather, she's got favorite apps. Right here, you got the calorie counter, step counter, floors, and BPM. And while I'm right here, I want to tell you guys about one of the complaints that she did have. Like I said, it's not nothing major, not nothing that makes her want to get rid of the watch, but there is a bit of inaccuracy here when it comes to the floor counter. She does do stairs every once in a while. She goes up to the floor, down, up 2 floors, down, and it always shows that she's either at 0 or just 1 floor, that she's only done 1 floor. So it's kind of inaccurate when it comes to that. Sometimes it will be accurate, but for the most part, it doesn't really count the right amount of floors that she is doing. So that is one kind of complaint that she did have about this. So let's go over to the next widget. You can add your contacts, which she does have over here. Let me go over here. She has all her favorite contacts set up. You can only set up to 4. So she's got all 4 contacts set up over there. Let me go back this way. And then she's got the stress, which I believe she said she's going to take off because, like I mentioned in my video for my watch, my review video, this stress measurer is not really that accurate as well. She actually sat there. She tried to take deep breaths, calm herself down, bring her heart rate down. And it just still, sometimes it says she is stressed, or it is just kind of neutral. So I think that's one thing she's going to be taken off of as far as the widgets go. So let's move over to the next one. Now over here, you can preset all your workouts that you normally do. And you got walking, she's got exercise bike, the treadmill, and the step machine. Now, so far, these that she has set up have been doing pretty good. Have been pretty accurate with her steps and all that. Sometimes it won't show it counting the steps, but she does count the steps, and then it'll all of a sudden just skip up to the amount of steps that she has already done. So it will kind of slow down a little bit, but for the most part, she said it is pretty accurate as far as the steps go. Now, she did try out the squat counter, and for some reason, I guess it shows you how you're supposed to be positioned, how they want your hands to be. And for some reason, the squat counter was not working right. It would kind of double squats. When she'd go down, it would count that as 1. She'd come back up, it'd count that as another 1. So when she did 1 squat, it would count it as 2. So that was something else that she was saying was kind of inaccurate, that she probably won't be using again. So if we go over to the next one, she's got the music right here, Over the Horizon, one of Samsung's main songs. She really hasn't set up her whole music yet, but you are able to pair it with your phone. So whatever music you have on your phone, you're able to transfer it to the watch and be able to listen to it via Bluetooth, headphones, and you're good to go. So she's got the music widget set up there, like I said, favorite apps, and then the heart rate beats per minute sensor right here, which it's pretty accurate. It's not bad. And then she's got the calendar as well, cool little calendar widget. I actually need to get this on my watch as well because I'm always looking at the calendar. Next one over here, how many calories she's burned for the day. And then over here we got another workout widget, and then her floors widget, and then calories consumed widget. Yeah, so that's basically how you navigate through the watch. You can set up your widgets any way you want. And then if you want to pick a different watch face, all you got to do is just press down and hold. You can swipe right, all the way right or left. There's so many watch faces to choose from. Not only on here, these are a lot of presets that they have on here, but you can also go into the Galaxy App Store and you can download a bunch for free. They have tons of watch faces for free, which this was actually one of them, and I think it looks great with this watch that we got here. So yeah, there's tons of watch faces to choose from, and you can also use your phone to actually navigate through the watch, which I showed in my last review video for this watch over here, my 46 millimeter. And you can use your phone to navigate not only through the watch faces, but also to control any apps that you may have on your watch. All right, so let's talk about the LTE capabilities. So far, it's been working out great for her. She hasn't had any problems with LTE connectivity. The calls have been coming through clearly. She's given me a call while she was at the store, and honestly, I couldn't even tell she was talking on a watch. And she also mentioned that everything was sounding good on her end. And I've also got to hear her talk to other people using this watch, and I myself think that the quality actually came out pretty clear. While it's not the loudest speaker in the world, it's still loud enough for you to be able to make a quick call or two. All right, you guys, so my wife is in the other room right now. We are doing a test call on LTE. She's using LTE on her watch. We're going to see how good she comes through. Hello?
Hey, baby.
Are you on the watch?
I sure am.
Nah, actually, you sound really good. Really,
Right?
yeah.
Awesome.
All right, guys, so there it is. She's talking on the watch. I have my phone on speaker right now, and honestly, on my end, it sounds really good. How does it sound on your end?
It sounds pretty good.
Nice. So the speaker, you would say that the speaker is loud enough, maybe, or could it be a little louder?
Loud enough for me. I can hear you pretty good.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Sounds good. All right, so let's talk about texting. Now, she did mention to me that she didn't find herself really texting as much on the watch, just because, let's be honest here, for anybody, texting on the watch is not going to be the easiest, just because of the smaller screen compared to something like the Note 9 or any smartphone for that matter. Texting on a watch is definitely not going to be the easiest, but if you just got to send, say, a quick response or something like that to a text, they do give us some quick responses on this watch, where if you just scroll down, you can find any quick response, or you can edit your own response for something that you'll usually text back to somebody. So they got a nice little selection of quick responses here. Then if you don't find what you like I said, you can always make your own, or you can do a voice to text, which I think is the easiest way to text on a watch, or you can just scroll through emojis if you want to send a quick emoji. You got those, tons to choose from, as you can see there. And then not only that, but you can also write out the letters that you want to text. It is the second easiest way to text on this watch if you do get it. It's a little harder for me on the smaller screen. I'm able to get it pretty good with my bigger sized watch, but as far as the small screen goes, there we go, I got it. Okay, so aside from that, you also got the old school way to text, which is probably going to be the hardest way to text on this watch. You got the numbers, all that good stuff. But yes, texting on the watch, like I said, she found herself not really doing too much, just because it's not the easiest. She'll really just wait until she gets her phone so she can be able to text on her phone, or she'll just do a voice to text or send a quick response if that is what's necessary at the time. All right, so overall, my wife's experience with this watch, I asked her what would she rate this on a scale from 1 to 10. She said because of the little bit of inaccuracies on the sensor, she would probably give it an 8.5 maybe, but overall she is loving it. She says she would definitely recommend it to somebody else to buy. She's definitely not complaining about the watch, loving the way it looks. Honestly, I love the way it looks. I love the way it looks on her. I think it makes any outfit you wear look nice and classy, or even sporty. If you're going out for a workout, like I said, you can always change the watch face and give it more of a sporty look. Let's see, they got this right here, which kind of looks like a workout face, I guess you could say. But they also have, let's see, what else? Tons to choose from. This one right here, which is specifically for working out, it already has a little widget up front ready to go exercise. It's already counting your steps. So there, like I said, there is just so much to choose from when choosing watch faces, but there is so much that Samsung puts into these watches. It's crazy. Like I said in my last video, I even find myself not using all the features that my watch has to offer. And as far as battery life goes, she's able to get about 2.5 days on this watch before she throws it on the charger. The battery is not the biggest, but hey, 2.5 days is actually not that bad. Either way, if you're going to sleep without your watch on, you can easily just throw it on the charger and boom, you have a full charge for the next day. But yes, you guys, this is the Galaxy Watch 42mm LTE Rose Gold model. What are you guys' thoughts on this? Leave your comments down below what you think, or if you have bought yours already, let me know your experience down in the comment sections below. Honestly, I think it looks really nice. I'm impressed with Samsung on how well they made this watch. But like I said, you guys, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.